Hello friends, welcome back. Now it's time to start styling our blog post, and for that we will use Tailwind CSS. So first we need to install Tailwind CSS CLI. Okay, so inside the terminal we will write npm install -d Tailwind CSS CLI, and we also need npm run -all, and then we will hit enter. And now let's initialize our Tailwind CSS config, and for that we will use npx Tailwind CSS, but first let this be installed. Okay, it's done. Now let's initialize Tailwind CSS config. For that we will use npx Tailwind CSS CLI @latest init. There'll be no space, and now let's hit enter. So now as you can see, we have this file tailwind.config.js. Let's open this file. Now we also want to install another Tailwind plugin to help us with the typography. So we will install npm install -d @tailwind css/typography, and we will hit enter. And inside this tailwind.config.js we will require that typography. Okay, so here we need to write require, and inside the parentheses we will add a single quotation @tailwind css/typography. Okay, let's save this. Now let's go to our package.json file, and we have to add few more script. Here before watch we will add dev colon watch, and here we will write Eleventy. Okay, then hyphen watch, and after that we will write hyphen serve. We also need this. Okay, now we will add one more script. Okay, so here we will write dev colon tailwind css, and it's going to be tailwind css -cli, and then we need a space build, and then again a space /css/tailwind.css, and this will output so -o dot slash underscore site /css/tailwind.css. This you can give any name, but I'm keeping tailwind.css, and here also we need a dot. Okay, here we need to add a comma, and now we need to change this start script. Okay, so here we will write npm -run all space parallel space dev colon star. Okay, and we will remove this. We don't require this. Okay, so this means that anything which start with dev. Okay, so let's save this, and now let's go to layout.liquid. Okay, and here we need some HTML tags, so I'll write HTML5 colon and space. Okay, sorry, colon and tab. I'll do it once again, HTML colon and then press tab. Okay, and here we will cut this content and we will paste it inside the body. And let's keep the document as marketing website. Let's save this, and here we will add link rel, that's going to be style sheet, href, that is going to be /css/tailwind.css, and let's close this, and then save it. And now we need to create our CSS folder. Okay, so I'll create a new folder and name it as CSS, and inside this I'll create a file and name it as tailwind.css. Okay, so tailwind.css, hit enter, and now we need to import some of the Tailwind CSS layers in here. Okay, so first one is @tailwind base, second is @tailwind components, and the third one is @utilities. Okay, let's save this. And now we need to do an npm start. So let's do npm start. So it is building the Tailwind CSS. Okay, now let's go to the browser, refresh it. Now, as you can see, there was some changes, but uh, let's go back. Let's refresh it again. Okay, so now, as you can see, there were some changes. Okay, so now let's go back to blocks.liquid. Okay, and here we will do some styling. So I'll add a div and I'll cut this and paste it here. Let's save this. And here I'll add some class. So class that is going to be cross, and here I'll write cross hyphen xd. Okay, let's save this. Let's go back, and as you can see, we are getting a big title. And let's add some padding. So padding hyphen 12. Okay, let's save this, go back, and as you can see, we have added the padding. So we have successfully added Tailwind CSS in our project, and we have added some styling as well. So I hope you like this lecture. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.